Here's how to capture a scrolling screenshot on iPhone. You should have certainly captured simple screenshots, but have you ever tried capturing a scrolling screenshot on your iPhone? A scrolling screenshot captures the full page view of a website, PDF, email, note, or attaching several screenshots all together. Here are a few steps to capture a scrolling screenshot. Apple has already integrated cutting-edge technology in its devices. iOS also features a native option to capture a scrolling screenshot that provides an entire or full-page view of your files or website. But here's how to take it. First, simultaneously press the side buttons with the volume up button. Now click on the preview at the bottom left corner and select the full page option available in the top right corner. Additionally, the full page option would only appear in the presence of more than one page. Afterwards, preview all the pages you want to capture by using markup before saving it, and click on the crop icon, which is available right next to Done, and edit the part that you want to capture. Now click on Done, which is available in the top left corner to save, or Share button in the top right corner. Users can also capture a scrolling screenshot by using third-party apps, Pixo, and Taylor. You can try these apps for free, and after using some time, opt for a subscribed version of the app.